You see this ad right here? This one. Or even this one? None of these were created by a traditional advertising team. They were created by an AI agent. You give it an idea and it plans, develops, and turns that idea into a complete advertising campaign. And what's interesting isn't just the quality of the final result. Time and money matter too. Being able to create professional content without spending a fortune or wasting countless hours is a huge advantage. And with what I'm about to show you, you basically have an AI agent sitting beside you like a creative director, guiding you through the entire process. The tool is called Loova, and let me show you how it works. As always, you'll find the link in the description. After signing up, you'll see a chat box right in the middle of the screen. This is where everything starts. First, I'm going to upload a product image. In my case, I'll use this product right here. Then I'll give the agent an advertising idea. If you don't want to spend a lot of time writing prompts, you can even ask ChatGPT to help you create an initial creative brief. Now I'll generate it. The system immediately starts building the workflow. It thinks through the project, creates images using my product, and then turns those ideas into video. It also lets me choose different models, quality settings, or faster generation options. I'll leave everything on the default settings and let it continue. And now my video is ready. As you can see, the result is cinematic and does a pretty good job translating my idea into an actual advertisement. But what if I want to market this same product as a luxury fashion item? Instead of starting over, I can simply take the existing result and give the agent a new direction. This time, I want the product to feel more premium and luxurious. So I'll update the prompt and ask the system to reposition the campaign around a luxury lifestyle aesthetic. It immediately starts rethinking the concept, rebuilding the storyboard, and preparing new shots that better match the creative direction.
A whisper of light, captured in glass.
The first result looks good, but I think it could be even stronger. So I simply tell it, make it more luxurious. I submit the revised prompt, and now the updated version is ready. And honestly, this is much closer to what I had in mind. Sometimes a single sentence can completely change the quality of the result. You've probably seen those product videos all over social media where someone professionally presents a product, explains its features, and makes it look incredibly appealing. Well, you can create exactly that kind of content right here while dramatically reducing production costs. Now let's talk about the UGC section. First, I'll upload a character and add the same product. Then I'll ask the system to create a promotional video where the character introduces the product, explains its benefits, and uses multiple camera angles throughout the presentation. What's impressive is the workflow behind the scenes. First, it creates the creative plan, then the story arc, then the storyboard, then scene direction, then character design, then world building, and finally the completed video.
Welcome to a world of pure elegance with Maison Lumière Paris. It is more than a fragrance, it's an alluring signature. Look at this stunning, crystal-faded bottle. Let the golden warmth wrap around you. It's an unforgettable sensory escape, crafted with precious ingredients. Maison Lumiere is the touch of luxury you deserve. Find your signature scent today.
But there's another important feature called infinite canvas. This is where Loova really separates itself from traditional tools. Instead of forcing everything into a linear timeline, Loova manages the entire project inside a unified workspace where ideas, assets, and content stay connected. That makes it much easier to adapt projects for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and other social channels. The examples you're seeing right now are videos I created specifically for social media, and honestly, they look like they were produced by a professional creative team. In fact, if I didn't tell you they were created by an AI agent, most people would never know. And something that previously could take days or even weeks can now happen in just a few minutes. Honestly, this is the kind of platform that content creators, marketers, e-commerce brands, and social media teams have been waiting for. Because it doesn't just generate outputs, it acts more like an intelligent creative partner that stays involved throughout the entire process, from planning and ideation to creation, refinement, and campaign development. And that's why I don't see Loova as just another image generator or video generator. It feels more like a creative director that collaborates with you throughout the entire journey. Instead of replacing a single tool, it's trying to replace the traditional advertising workflow itself. So if you're creating ads, building social content, launching products, or looking for a faster way to turn ideas into campaigns, I genuinely think Loova is worth exploring. Before we finish, a lot of people ask me which Loova plan I recommend. If you're just getting started and want to test the platform, the Lite plan is a good entry point. But honestly, for most creators, the Max plan offers the best balance between price and value. You get 3,000 credits every month, access to premium models like Seedance 2.0, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, Kling 3.0, and support for multiple concurrent generations. And if you're creating content professionally or running a business that generates videos and images every day, the Ultimate plan gives you even more credits, higher limits, and the most cost-effective pricing per generation. So it really depends on your workflow, but for most AI creators, the Max plan is probably the sweet spot. If you'd like to try Loova for yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.